Hello, checking in again. This is day 26 of our meditation series. Wow, we're nearly there. It's 30 days of this. Today's theme is, will meditation help me live longer? Yes, definitely will do. Scientific proof that it helps to improve longevity in your body. Because your body's coming back into its natural state, you're not putting so much stress on the telomeres. The telomeres are what guides your body to age either faster or slower. So for instance, in Detroit, where there's a real high Wi-Fi environment with really bad junk food, children are aging a lot quicker than, because they're stressed out, they're anxious all the time and with a bad diet, than say people who aren't in that situation where they can sit and relax and be more themselves, be more to their true self. They're aging better. So it really does work. And if you go to the webinar, I've got a 5 meditation technique webinar below. I do mention a Qigong master of 118 years of age. He's still getting his legs above his head when he does his Qigong movements. And you go, wow, if he can do it, so can I, so can you. We can all do it. It does make you live longer, but healthily, more holistically, for longer, rather than being propped up with whatever. So yes, you can. It does help with longevity. Meditation really does help with that, for you to connect with yourself. So if you haven't tried it, give the webinar a go. 5 meditation techniques in the webinar. Qigong as well. We've got connecting the mind, the body and the breath together. Really empowering, really transformed my life. You can try that on this channel. To get notifications, all you need to do is push the subscription button and the bell, and it'll let you know all the good things that are coming up on this channel this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.